So warp, now if I try to transpose down or up, you can see the tracks are staying exactly in place where they're supposed to be. Complex is the function that you at least want to start on when you're pitching. This is beats will get real choppy when you start to, because it's kind of grabbing transients in a weird way. And honestly, I don't even know what tones, texture, and repitch do. Complex is where you want to start. I recommend sometimes using Complex Pro if you're pitching up like 5 semitones. And then because what it adds is, or even for some tracks doing Complex Pro, because it adds a formants and envelope function, so where you can kind of work out a little bit of the digital artifacting that can come with pitching something up really high. It doesn't work great pitching down low. Only maybe use it when you're above 3 semitones pitching up. See if it maybe sounds a little less chipmunky, and you can kind of finagle it there.